So you've been in a wreck, you're feeling hurt, you have injuries that weren't there before. The question is often asked, do I need an attorney for something like that? And the short answer to that is absolutely yes. As soon as someone is injured as a result of someone else's fault, and there's an insurance company on the other side, the injured person is immediately propelled into an adversarial situation. The needs and interests on the hurt person's side are very, very different between the interests of the insurance company. The insurance company's whole goal in situations like that is to pay as little as possible. Being injured, being off work, not knowing if you're going to get better, those are highly stressful things. To have to deal with the insurance company on top of all that, wondering whether or not you're giving information that they're entitled to, you're doing things to help yourself or actually hurt yourself, that just adds stress upon stress. People don't need that kind of stress when they're dealing with these things, and an attorney can take all of that from the client or from the injured person.
Now, some people, that's all they need to hear. You'll take the stress off my plate, you're hired. But other people, more dollar-driven people, they want to know, well, I can deal with the stress of that, I don't mind that. Why should I pay you potentially a lot of money to do something that I could do myself? And I think that's a good question. And the short answer is because not only are you going to deal with less stress, but you're going to, after you pay your attorney, get a lot more money than you would if you handled the case yourself.
If someone's handling a case on their own, the insurance company knows if push comes to shove, that person can't go out and file a lawsuit on their own behalf and access the court system on their own. So the insurance company basically is holding all the power. Attorneys, they level the playing field. They balance the power because they, like the insurance company, have equal access to the courts so that all things can be fair.
This message is brought to you by Henness and Haight.